All right, so we got the first 50 boards set up. Oh my goodness, hey, what's going on? We're gonna build something. This video could go on multiple channels because we got multiple channels. We got a Barndovilla channel for our homesteading stuff. We got the Larpcraft channel for our medieval historical roleplay stuff. And what we're gonna do, and we got Backroad Reviews, which is our product review channel. And what we need is a backdrop to film on. And so in our barndominium here, we have this really great wall we're gonna start with. And so we pulled all the shelving off, or we're almost done with pulling the shelving off. We're gonna pull everything off. That fake brick on the bottom is gonna be turned to stone. And what we wanna try to do is make this look like a medieval inn or some kind of like fantasy wall off of like a hobbit, or not a hobbit, like a hovel of some sort. You see them again with like D&D and all that stuff, like the Warhammer figurines. They got these, you know, fake walls. You see them in Willow, Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings. They're all very commonly the same, Middle Ages, you know, mostly rough-sawn wood with some beams and some stone on the bottom. So that's what we're gonna try to emulate. Here's the rendering we did with some samples that we thought about, and we're gonna start with this wall. And then eventually maybe do the whole barn that way. And we'll have a themed place where we can close the doors and hide everything and do like full-on LARP events in here or film scenes out of here. So it's not big enough to host whole events in, obviously. It's a barn. It's just a pole barn. But this would be a really great start. And again, we do a lot of product reviews and stuff. I need a good backdrop with proper lighting. And I've been doing it in front of garage doors and outside, and it's hard to control the environment. But we then want to put some midi splits on top where you wouldn't see it, so that, you know, we have air conditioning in the barn. And then finish up the insulation before we put the fake beams up, and insulate this to at least an R20, maybe R30 in the ceiling. So that way, heat, cold, doesn't matter. This is a large space to try and control. So that part's gonna be pricey. We're coming into the cooler season now in the Ozark Mountains. And so we have the ability to like start this concept and see where it goes. All right, so we're gonna move some cabinets, and we got the first 50 boards, and we're gonna put those up and see what we can get for the base. So I was trying to set up workstations for the stain, and this wire wheel has saw its last day. Okay, so now we're gonna stain the boards and use some boiled linseed oil and then reducer. And we all have some stains, so we're gonna make like a mixture of different colors for these cedar boards. And because they're rough sawn, they're gonna take on stain differently. So we'll see what happens. Okay, putting on the last piece of the middle boards here. All right, so we got the first 50 boards set up. We made some videos on there, working on some lighting, figuring out some different ways to move cameras around, and yeah, I think that's gonna work. I think that's gonna work. We have a layered approach. So we have some stained, some burned, and you got like a light and dark differentiation. And that's what we were looking for. We weren't looking for all one color. So I think that's gonna work. So we'll finish the rest of the wall and then start building the fake trusses or the beams. And we're probably gonna use 2x6 and haul them down and make it so that they can actually hold weight, because we can actually then put stuff on there and put the, you know, YouTube-y lights and make the backgrounds all, you know, video-esque to do what we want to do. Okay, good, good, yeah. All right, we'll keep going on this and make some more videos as we progress. My name's Ryan, we're back. Barndovilla. I forget what channel I'm even recording for. We'll see you in the next video.